Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add discounts and promos on TikTok Shop. So if you want to know how it's done in this video, it's for you. So what you need to do is you just need to head over in here under the promotions. Once you have clicked on it, you can see in here the campaigns as well as promotional tools. So for this one, let's choose in here promotional tools. And if you want to add discounts and promos, you can utilize this promotional tools right here. You can choose product discount, flash deal, buy more, save more, gift with purchase, coupon, bundle deal, and also creator live giveaway. So you can just choose what kind of discount or promo you want to add to your TikTok shop. So for example, for this, let's choose this product discount. Just click on create and then this will load like this. So you can just name this right here. So for example, let's name this 10 off. Then you can just put in here the promotion period. It totally depends on you. So for this, you can get in here fixed price or percentage off. So for me, I'll just choose percentage off right here for this one. So you can also choose in here the smart discount, and you can make this product level or variation level. So in here, you can select the products that actually will be added for this promotion. So let's click on the select products right here, and let me just select the product that I want for this one. After that, click on done. And then as you can see right here, you have in here a total purchase limit. So let's actually add this. So put in here a limit if you want to. And you can also put in here a buyer purchase limit if you want as well. So in here, you can have in here this 20% off. But for this one, let's put this only at 10% off. And then as you can see right here, the 1,000 will become 900. So next thing you need to do for this one is just head over and click on this agree and publish on the bottom. And then this will load like this. And now your promotion has been active and buyers will be able to use it. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.